Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by ensuring both devices are ready. Update Watch OS and iOS and enable Bluetooth on the Peloton bike. Put the Apple Watch on your wrist so sensors read heart rate reliably. Next, open the Peloton app on the bike and, at the same time, have the Peloton app on your iPhone ready. This parallel start helps the bike discover the watch. Make sure Bluetooth permissions are granted on the iPhone. Now tap to start pairing from the bike settings. Once the bike detects the watch, select Apple Watch from the bike's heart rate sensor list. On your iPhone, the Peloton app will request access to health data. You must allow heart rate sharing so the bike can import metrics. If a numeric code appears, confirm it on both devices. This verifies the secure link. Wait for the bike to display a connected status before starting a ride. If pairing hangs, toggle Bluetooth briefly on the iPhone to refresh device discovery. Start a ride and watch for your heart rate to appear on the Peloton screen. This confirms successful syncing. If heart rate doesn't show, start a brief workout on the Apple Watch or reopen the Peloton app. This often resolves background permission issues. Once you see live metrics, make sure values update throughout the class. If problems persist, repair the watch via the bike settings or restart both the watch and the bike. Doing that clears transient Bluetooth conflicts and usually fixes stubborn connections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.